Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 29 of solving daily problems on Geeks for Geeks. Let us see what today's problem is. So the problem is to calculate the minimum absolute difference in the given BST. So here's the given problem, and let us consider this tree which is having a root node of 50, then 30, then in its left it is 20. Similarly, nodes in its right side. Okay, so first to solve this problem, I will calculate the in order traversal of my BST, which will store all the elements in ascending order. As I know that BST follows the property of binary tree, which means all the nodes on the left hand side will be less than my root node, and all the nodes on the right hand side will be greater than my root node. So this will give me a ascending order of all the nodes present over here. So if I calculate the in order traversal, first I will pass 50 here, then it will make a call to the root left, which would be 30, then it will make a call for root left, which will be 20. So 20 will get stored here. Okay, 20. After that it moves to root, then it checks for the right node, then it will store our root again, and again it will make calls to the right hand side. So from here it will make a call to 60. So first here 60 will get stored, then my 70 root node will get stored, and at last it will store 80, and this is just extra space I have made here. Okay, so this will be my in order traversal, and I can make this in order traversal with the property of in order, that first it moves the left hand side of the tree, then it moves to the root, and then it calculates for the right hand side of the tree. So this is how in order traversal is calculated. The next step will be to calculate the difference of every element, as we have to find the absolute difference in BSC, that which means that if answer is coming negative for the particular node, which means if I subtract 30 from 50, so it will be, the result will be minus 20. So in that case I have to consider it as 20. This will become my absolute difference. So I will calculate the difference with the help of this, that I will calculate it with the help of you know every index here present, every value. So first I will calculate 20 30, then I will calculate 30 50 50 60 70 80, and at last I will store the maximum sorry, minimum absolute difference present in my given array. In this BST, first we have calculated the in order traversal. After that we know that it is stored in ascending order. So now I have to take the minimum absolute difference for my given question. Okay, so now let us try to code this problem. So first let us declare a function void type of in order, which will be having my node star root as its parameters, and let us declare here a vector array of integer type which will store all the values of my BST in it. So let's say it to be values. Okay, now inside this in order function I will first check if root is equals to null ptr. In that case I have to return, otherwise I will make a call to in order root left, then I will push the values for root data, values dot pushback. After adding the value of current root node, I will call this function for the right side. So root right. Okay. So this will calculate the in order traversal. After that, what I will do is, from this function I will make a call to in order, which will give me the in order traversal, and again then we will declare here a variable int mini, which will store my minimum. Let's give it a value of int max initially. Then after that what we will do is, we will run a for loop for int I equals to 0 such that I less than my values dot size such that I plus plus. Okay, so here first we will calculate the difference int diff, which will be equals to absolute difference of values I minus values I plus 1. This will calculate the difference, and let us store the difference in our mini variable with the help of minimum function, which will store the minimum of mini and difference. Okay, and at last you have to return from here the difference. So now let us try to run this code. Okay, void solution expected. Okay, we are missing semicolon here. Then everywhere we have added the semicolon. Now let's just run this again. Def was not declared here. Okay, let us just declare this outside. It says your output to be 8 and expected output to be 1. Okay, and I equals to 0. We'll calculate the minimum. Then taking the absolute difference from I equals to 0, and let us run this loop to -1. Okay, now let's just submit this to check for other test cases. So it is already passed all the test cases, and I hope this video solution is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section. Please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.